we're going to diagnose this 13 Chevy Malibu. It looks like it got a dead miss. Let's start it. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can feel it. The engine's running off right now, so we're gonna check for codes. As you guys see here, the check engine light flashing, so I'm going to shut it off so I don't destroy the cat. Let's put it on accessory mode, and I'm gonna use my scan tool here. Those scan tools are very useful. That specific one is for GM vehicles. Sometimes I rather use it than the actual original GM scan tool, because it's a lot faster and it's just as capable as the dealer level scan tool. Let's go to ECM, automatic. Let's read the code. So we have a P0171, a P0300. Okay, that code is passing fail, meaning it's not currently, it's more like history code, but that one is current. I'm going to go after this one. I'm gonna look for event information with the freeze frame. I'm gonna look at the data at the time the check engine light came up. Okay. It's like a cold start. Okay. And we're gonna look for which cylinder is misfiring the most. We're gonna go to data stream, engine data, go to misfire data. I'm gonna go cycle of misfire, history code. We're going to select all of those. Okay. And we're going to start the vehicle again, and we're gonna monitor which cylinder have the most. Oh shoot, number 3 got the most, 50,000 misfires. Wow. Okay, that should be pretty easy. So let's start it. Okay, I'm gonna go look for cylinder number 3. It got even more misfires. So let's shut off the engine. We're going to inspect cylinder number 3, look at our ignition coils, our spark plug. Let's see what it looks like. Pop the hood. So there you have it, guys. This is it's a 2.0 liter turbo. So the coils are located under this beauty cover here. And let's take this out, 50-30. Good. Let's put our oil cap back on. And right off the bat, I can tell somebody already replaced that cylinder number 1. So that will be cylinder number 3. And we're going to unplug it. Okay, let's take the 10mm. This coil looks like it's in good shape. Okay, pretty clean. Before we do anything else, what we're gonna do, we're going to swap the ignition coils, right? We're going to put this coil on cylinder number 4 and see if the misfire move. Alright. Okay. There you go. So we're going to move it. That one's in good shape too. We're going to put on cylinder number 3 and coil number 3 go on cylinder 4. Now if the misfire moves on cylinder 3 to 4, that will indicate to us that the coil is bad. But if it's still on cylinder 3, we're gonna have to check our spark plugs. That will be the next step. Let's get back in the vehicle. Let's start it. Vehicle still misfiring. We're going to directly check cylinder 3 and 4 to see if anything changed. Okay, cylinder 3 still have more misfire. Right, the cylinder number went up. It's 50,838. So cylinder 4 is at 971. As you guys see here, cylinder 4, the misfire went up. Let's keep going back and forth. Okay. I think that's our problem, guys. Yep, the misfire move with ignition after I swap the ignition coil to cylinder 4. As you guys see here, the misfire number keep going up as I'm trying to rev the engine. And cylinder number 3 still good, as you guys see here. Cylinder 4 misfire is going up, and that's our problem. I'm going to, what we're gonna do now, I'm going to recommend the spark plugs on this vehicle because of the mileage. This vehicle is have 130,000 miles on it. I'm assuming the original spark plugs, so I'm gonna swap all 4 of them and recommend 1 ignition coil, and that will be the fix for this vehicle. Stay tuned, guys. I'll make a video on how to replace the spark plugs in coils on this, and that will be it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.